Yo, it's Lux from Server.pro and welcome to this tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to install and use Minepacks. This is a useful backpack plugin that's simple yet has a lot of customization and features. It has multi-language and mysql support, customizable backpack sizes, auto pickup feature and a lot more. To install the plugin, head over to the plugin section, go over to the bucket tab and type in Minepacks. Install the version that is compatible with your server and restart. Alternatively, you can download it from the plugin page and upload it into your plugins folder manually. As you can see, I've also got a permissions plugin installed to show you some of the plugin's features. I'm using luck perms, but you can use whatever permission plugin you like. To get a list of commands in game, just type in /backpack help. The most important command that you'll need to know is /bp or /backpack, which basically just opens your backpack. You can also open other players' backpacks with /bp and then the username. Of course, you'll have to have permission for that. And if you have the right permission, you can also remove and add items from and into their backpacks as well. But if you want to quickly remove old items from their backpack, just type in /bp clean and then their username. You can also use the same command to clean your own backpack. As you may have noticed, my other account only has one row of slots. This is because by default, that's what they get. You can increase the number of rows a player or a group gets using permissions. To find out all the permission nodes, check out the plugin page or the wiki. Here I'm going to use the luckperm command to add a permission to my other account so that they get 3 backpack rows. Now when I open my backpack using my other account, you can see that I have 3 rows. I also want to note that by default, when a player dies, everything in their backpack is dropped. This of course can be changed in the config as well as other features too. Let's go take a look at that. Locate the config in the plugins folder, and here at the top you can change the language settings. Then here you can change the title of the backpack, and this of course supports color codes as well. You can toggle whether you want players to drop their backpack items on death here. If you want to change the maximum size of a backpack, you can do that here as well. And if you want to have a cooldown on how often a player can access their backpack, you can do that with these settings here. A cool feature in this plugin is that if the player's inventory is full, the backpack can pick up items as well. If you're using this option, make sure that the player has the correct permissions to use that feature. Lower, you have some database options here. And even lower, you have the shulker box options, which you can change here. Of course, you can blacklist items that you don't want players putting inside their backpacks, and if you want to disable certain worlds where players can't use their backpacks, you can do that here. The last thing I want to mention is that this plugin also supports bungee cord, so if you're using that, you can sync it across all your other servers. If you need any more help or want to find out what permissions and commands this plugin has, check out the plugin wiki, which is linked in the description. Apart from that, I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any plugin suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're having issues with anything, contact our support team. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.